Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Michelle, also known as Simply Shell. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can come to Simply and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I create a braid out on stretched hair, and if you're interested in how I stretch my hair without any heat, make sure that you comment that down below and I'll do a video for you. The reason why I like to do braid outs and twist outs on stretch hair is because I get more length, and also it takes less time for my hair to dry. Being that I have low porosity hair, my hair takes forever and a day to dry, and ain't nobody got time for that. So today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it from start to finish, and I'm going to show you exactly what products I use. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the products that I'll be using today is by the brand Dove, and I really like Dove a lot. Being that I tried the recovery mask, my hair was loving it, so I decided to try their whole line, and every single product is bomb, y'all. I'll be using the leave-in conditioner from Moisture Lock, as well as the finishing gel for shine and moisture. Now, as you can tell, my hair is already, looking a hot mess. I had this braid out in for about 2 days, and I kind of just put my hair up because it started to get puffy and messy. First thing that I like to do is, of course, I'm going to detangle my hair to make sure there's no knots, because you don't want to style your hair and your hair is knotty. It won't give you the definition that your hair is looking for. So that's what we're going to do. And this brush, this is one of my favorite brushes, and this brush is only about $3 at Big Lots. And I love it because the teeth in it are really wide, and it makes it easier to detangle and not pull your hair out. It's always a process, but my hair is nice and detangled now. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my hair off. Makes it easier. I usually work from the back of my hair and then I go to the front, but now that my hair is shorter, I don't know how I really want to start it. It really doesn't matter, there's no right or wrong way, but when my hair was longer, I felt that was more harder for me because it's hard to kind of braid your hair from the back. So we're gonna start with the back first. I have this section right here, but I feel like this is still a little bit thick, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna split that in half. And honestly, I can't find my rat tail comb, so excuse me for using this. I stole this from my husband. So what I'm gonna do is I normally just section my hair off into like nice chunky sections. It all depends on how you want, like how fluffy you want your twist out, how defined you want it. So I'm kind of going for a fluffier look. And I'm not gonna wet it too much because it's gonna revert my curls back, but I'm just gonna moisturize it enough to really make sure that it ain't dry looking. Really wanna focus on the ends because the ends are always the driest part on my hair. So I'm gonna take 3 sections and I'm gonna braid as tight as I can to my roots. Just gonna add a little bit more gel as I get down to the ends, just to make sure that it's really nice and hydrated. And it's a little hard now that my hair is shorter because the ends unravel easily. But once I get to the end, I kind of want to create like a finger coil. Just want to twist the ends. Just gonna repeat the same thing in the back, and I'll get back with you guys when I get to the top. Okay, we are done. I never really stress the parts too much, honestly, because once I unravel my hair, I'm basically just gonna fluff it all together. So pay to get the parts precise. It just don't pay. So now I like to just go in with some oil just to really moisturize my hair. And my oil of choice will be my extra virgin olive oil. Just gonna, you know, smooth it on. Hair, like I said, it's a little damp right now, but it's not gonna take too long, so I'll probably just get ready for bed. Yeah, let me hurry up and put my scarf on because I'm over here looking like somebody's little boy. So I'll be back to you guys the results tomorrow. It's the next day, and I feel like my hair is nice and dry by now. It should be. It's been about good 20 hours, so almost a full day. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in with some olive oil just to help unravel them. Put some on my hands, and I run it through the braid. I'm gonna slowly unravel because I don't want to disturb the definition too much. You don't want to like pull it too much, and you don't want to play with it too much because that causes frizz, but the oil also helps with frizz as well. Alright guys, I'm sorry about the background noise. They're doing like some weed whacking outside, but just listen to me. We don't gotta listen to them. So this is how my hair looks. I feel like it came out really good. I feel like I could have got a little bit more definition towards the end. And I'm not really good with braid outs. Like, that's not really my go-to. I'm just more of like a wash and go type of girl, but I feel like it really did come out good. And I only, you know, I used the leave-in conditioner and the gel. I feel like I could have used a little bit more gel, but I was afraid that if I put too much that my curls would revert. What I like to do after I take my hair down is I like to go with my pick and I like to fluff my roots out because I like big hair, and I feel like it really makes the style look great when your hair has more volume. I prefer volume over definition any day, so I just go in from the roots and I pull up like that. You go on the roots and you pull up. Gentle, you don't want to mess up you don't want to disturb the definition too much, but wherever you want to fluff it. And also this helps to like move the parts out of the way. You know, you don't want to walk around with a braid out and your parts are showing. You don't have to, this is optional, but for me, I like it. Like I said, I like my hair to be big. That's pretty much it. This style can last me up to a week if I, you know, if I keep protecting it at night and I put it away. If you guys want to see how I maintain a braid out for like a good week, comment that down below and I'll show you guys how I preserve my braid out. You can even create different styles once your hair starts to get really like frizzy or whatever. You still have that volume. You can do so many different styles. But these are my final results. I hope you guys like my hair. If you did like my hair, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about it. And if you try these products, let me know how it works for you. And if you try braid out using these products, let me know how it works for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.